This video was filmed on May 29, 2026 at the Cognac Air Show in France. The aircraft in the video is the MQ-9 Reaper, a medium-altitude, long-endurance, unmanned aerial vehicle used by France Air and Space Force. France acquired MQ-9 drones in 2013, primarily to support counter-terrorism operations in the Sahel region of Africa. Powered by a turboprop engine, the drone can reach speeds of around 480 km per hour and operate at altitudes up to 15,000 meters. It also has an endurance of more than 27 hours, enabling long-duration patrol and surveillance mission. In terms of equipment, the MQ-9 can carry electro-optical sensors, infrared detection systems, and synthetic aperture radar for all-weather reconnaissance operations. Can also be armed with Hellfire missiles and GBU series precision-guided bombs for accurate strikes against ground targets. Today, the French Air and Space Force operates several MQ-9 drone units, many of which are deployed overseas for counter-terrorism missions, border surveillance, and joint military operations. Please continue enjoying the video and feel free to click like and subscribe my channel for more video.